Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast discussion. Today we were going to talk about the use of artificial intelligence or AI in classroom, especially within the Malaysian education context. According to Muhammad Rani, Roslan and Abdul Wahid, 2025, teachers today are expected to maintain high level of professionalism and competency in carrying out teaching and learning in the 21st century. This expectation is closely connected to the goals outlined by Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia in the Malaysia Education Blueprint 2013 to 2025, which aim to develop students who are not only academically capable but also balanced in terms of values, character, and overall personal development. The authors also highlight that teachers need to be ready to adapt the technological changes, including use of AI, in order to improve the effectiveness and quality of teaching and learning. This shows that teachers play an important role in ensuring technology is used a meaningful and responsible way. In recent years, AI has become more common in education. It can help provide personalized learning materials, give quick feedback, and assist teachers in managing their workload. AI also allows teachers to create more flexible learning experience based on students' different abilities and learning needs. However, despite these benefits, there are also concerns. Some people worry that students may become too dependent on AI, and there are also questions about ethical issues and how AI might affect the teacher's role and professional judgment. So, this brings us to the key question for today's discussion. Should teachers in Malaysia rely on AI in classrooms, or could it negatively affect student learning on the role of teachers? As future educators, this is an important issue for us to reflect on. Teachers have a responsibility not only to deliver knowledge but also to guide students, shape their character, and support their thinking skills. Technology like AI can be a useful tool, but it is important that it supports learning without replacing the human role of the teacher. With that in mind, let us begin by hearing the first perspective.
Thank you. From my perspective, artificial intelligence can play a very positive and meaningful role in Malaysian classrooms as long as it is used responsibly and under the guidance of teachers. One of the biggest advantages of AI is its ability to support personalized learning. Students have different learning speeds, abilities, and levels of understanding. AI can help teachers prepare learning activities that match students' individual needs. This ensures every student receives appropriate support and has the opportunity to improve. According to Tira Nurfitria 2023, AI strengthens adaptive learning by analyzing students' performance and adjusting learning materials based on their progress. Students can receive content suitable for their level, whether they need more support or more advanced challenge. AI also provides real-time feedback, helping students recognize and correct mistakes immediately, allowing them to learn more effectively. AI encourages students to become independent learners. They reflect on their learning, identify weaknesses, and make improvements. This develops self-awareness, responsibility, and self-directed learning, turning students into active participants rather than passive recipients. Another important benefit is reducing teachers' workload. Teachers handle many tasks such as preparing lessons, marking assignments, and managing classroom activities. AI can automate routine tasks, giving teachers more time to focus on meaningful teaching, student guidance, and motivation. From a professional and moral perspective, AI should be a support tool, not a replacement. Teaching involves building relationships, guiding character, and supporting personal growth, which is human elements that technology cannot replace. Tira Nurfitria 2023 emphasizes that teachers' knowledge, experience, and emotional connection with students are irreplaceable. Therefore, with proper guidance, AI can enhance learning while ensuring teachers remain the central figure in the teaching and learning process.
Thank you. I believe that relying too much on AI in classrooms can have negative consequences, especially if it is used without proper teacher guidance. One main concern is students' over-reliance. If students use AI to complete assignments or write essays, they may not fully engage in learning. Over time, critical thinking, problem solving, and independent learning skills may weaken. Skills essential for both academic and future personal success. Learning is not just about correct answers, but understanding the process. Overdependence on AI may make students focus on completing tasks quickly rather than understanding concepts. As future educators, we must ensure students remain active learners. Another concern is inequality. Not all Malaysian students have equal access to devices, technology, or stable internet. Over-reliance on AI could advantage some students while disadvantaging others, widening the educational gap. Teaching requires human judgment, empathy, and understanding. Teachers observe behavior, understand emotional needs, and guide moral development. AI cannot replace this professional and ethical role. Abdul Halim 2024 notes that AI provides information and technical support but cannot serve as a role model. Teachers remain crucial in shaping students' character, values, and attitudes. Therefore, excessive reliance on AI may reduce learning independence and weaken teachers' professional role. AI should only complement, not replace, the essential human role in education.
Thank you, Nazura and Shazina, for sharing your insights. Now, let's explore specific scenarios of practical implication AI in classroom. Nazura, could you give an example of AI improving student learning in a typical classroom?
Certainly, in a Form 3 science class, students have different understanding levels in Newton's law of motion. AI platforms can analyze quiz results and suggest exercises tailored to each student. Advanced students get challenging tasks, weaker students get reinforcement. AI also provides instant feedback, helping students learn from mistakes immediately.
Shazina, could this reliance could this reliance could this reliance backfire?
Yes, students may follow AI mechanically without understanding concepts. AI cannot detect emotional or motivational struggles. Teachers can intervene, encourage, and ensure learning is meaningful.
Nazura, your response?
AI should supplement, not replace teachers. After AI exercise, discussions help students explain reasoning, ensuring deep understanding.
Shazrina, what about inequality?
Not all students have devices or stable internet. AI-heavy classrooms may favor advantaged students, widening the educational gap.
Nazura, solutions?
AI exercises can be printed. Group learning encourages peer support, and government programs can provide devices and internet access. Teacher training ensures fair AI integration.
Ethical concerns, Shazrina?
Overuse may lead to plagiarism or superficial learning. Data privacy is another concern. Teachers must guide ethical and responsible AI use.
Clear rules, guidance, and teaching digital citizenship can ensure AI develops responsible, ethical learners.
AI enhances personalized support and reduces teacher workload but comes with risks like overdependence, inequality, and ethical issues. Teachers must remain central in guiding students academically, morally, and socially. Thank you, Nazura and Shazrina. We have heard two important perspectives. One highlighting the benefits of AI and the other raising concern about its possible negative impacts. Now, I would like both of panelists to reflect more deeply on this question. Should teachers in Malaysia rely on AI or should AI only play a supporting role? Let's let's discuss this from the perspective of teachers' moral responsibility, including fairness, professionalism, and responsibility towards student holistic development.
In my opinion, teachers should not rely on AI completely. Instead, they should integrate AI strategically. The moral purpose of a teacher is to guide, nurture, and develop students holistically, not just academically. AI can support content delivery and feedback, but teachers must remain decision makers. For example, when AI generates practice questions, teachers must evaluate whether the questions align with learning objectives and students' level. This shows professional judgment.
I agree partially. I believe reliance becomes harmful when teachers depend on AI without critical evaluation. A teacher's professional role includes ethical judgment, empathy, and contextual understanding. AI cannot understand classroom culture, students' family backgrounds, or emotional struggles. If teachers rely too heavily on AI generated lesson plans, it may reduce their creativity and professional autonomy.
So we can say that AI should assist teachers, but teachers must maintain control and final authority.
Yes, I agree with that.
Yes, I agree as well. Teachers must remain central.
Now let's move to student learning. Could AI harm students' critical thinking skills?
Yes, it could, especially if students use AI to generate essays or answers without understanding the content. Over time, they may lose the ability to think independently. Teachers have a moral responsibility to develop students' reasoning skills. If AI becomes a shortcut, it contradicts that responsibility.
That is true, but I think the problem is not AI itself, it is how it is used. Teachers can design tasks that require reflection, discussion, and explanation. For example, instead of asking students to submit AI generated essays, teachers can ask students to analyze AI response and critique them. This encourages higher order thinking skills.
That's interesting. So AI can actually become a tool to strengthen critical thinking if used properly.
Yes, exactly.
I agree, as long as teachers monitor the process and teach students about ethical AI usage.
Let's discuss fairness. In Malaysia, access to technology differs between urban and rural areas. How can teachers ensure fairness?
Teachers must consider students' access before integrating AI. Fairness is part of a teacher's moral obligation.
I agree. A responsible solution would be a blended approach. AI activities can be conducted in school labs where access is equal. Teachers can also provide printed alternatives. Government initiatives and school support system should also ensure access to devices.
So, fairness requires careful planning, not blind implementation.
Yes,
Another important issue is ethics. How can teachers ensure AI is used responsibly?
Teachers must establish clear classroom guidelines. Students should understand that AI is a learning support tool, not a shortcut to avoid thinking. Teachers must also discuss issues such as plagiarism and data privacy.
I agree. In fact, teaching students how to use AI ethically is part of digital literacy education. Teachers can guide students to cite sources, verify information, and reflect on AI generated answers. This develops responsible digital citizens.
So, instead of banning AI, teachers should educate students about responsible usage.
Yes,
Yes, education is better than prohibition.
Based on our discussion, can we reach a consensus? Should teachers in Malaysia rely on AI?
teachers should not rely on AI completely, but they should integrate it strategically and responsibly.
I agree. AI should complement teaching, not replace teachers' professional judgment or moral role.
So, as a group, we agree that AI can enhance personalized learning and reduce workload. Over reliance may weaken critical thinking and independence. Teachers must remain central as moral guides and decision makers. Fair access and ethical guidelines are necessary. AI should support, not replace human teaching.
Yes,
Yes,
we
we
agree.
agree.
Yeah. In conclusion, our discussion shows that AI is neither entirely good nor entirely harmful. Its impact depends on how teachers choose to use it. From the perspective of the moral purpose of a teacher, educators are responsible for shaping students' knowledge, character, and values. AI can assist in providing personalized support and efficiency, but it cannot replace empathy, professional judgment, or moral guidance. Therefore, teachers in Malaysia should not rely blindly on AI. Instead, they should use AI as a supporting tool, maintain professional control, and critical evaluation, teach ethical and responsible AI usage. Ensure fairness and equal access encourage critical thinking rather than dependency. Ultimately, technology should serve education and teacher must remain the heart of the classroom. Before we officially end this discussion, I would like to invite both panelists to share one final reflection. As future teachers, what is the most important principle we must remember when using AI in classroom?
Thank you. For me, the most important principle is balance. AI is a powerful educational tool, but it must always be guided by human wisdom. As future educators, we must remember that teaching is not just about delivering content efficiently. It is about shaping students' character, values, and attitudes. AI can analyze data and generate answers, but it cannot inspire students, understand their emotions, or motivate them during difficult moments. Therefore, teachers should use AI to enhance learning experience, not replace interaction. We must evaluate AI outputs critically, adapt them to our students' needs, and ensure that they align with our learning objectives. In other words, AI should assist our professionalism, not reduce it.
I agree with panelist B. From my perspective, responsibility is the key principle. Teachers carry a moral responsibility to ensure students grow intellectually and ethically. If we introduce AI without proper guidance, students may misuse it or become overly dependent. However, if we teach students how to question AI, verify information, and use it ethically, then AI can become a tool for strengthening critical thinking instead of weakening it. We must also remember fairness. In Malaysia, not all students have equal access to technology. As teachers, we must ensure that no student is left behind. Responsible implementation means considering students' backgrounds, access, and learning readiness. So, AI is not the problem, irresponsible use is the problem.
Thank you, Nazura and Shazwina, for your thoughtful reflection. From our discussion today, we clearly see that the issue is not whether AI should exist in classrooms, but how it should be managed. As future teachers, we must uphold the moral purpose of teaching to educate with integrity, promote fairness, nurture character, and support holistic development. AI must operate within these values. We agree that AI can support personalized learning and efficiency. Over, overly, Over-reliance can weaken independence and critical thinking. Teachers must remain central as guidance, mentors, and moral roles and role models. Ethical guidelines, digital literacy, education, and fairness in access are essential. Ultimately, AI should strengthen the teaching profession, not replace it. Technology may continue to evolve, but the human connection between teacher and student remains irreplaceable. As a future educators in Malaysia, our responsibility is not to reject AI, not to depend on it completely, but lead its use widely and ethical for the benefit of our students. Thank you everyone for listening to our discussion.